Metasploit is one of the best tools that cybersecurity or ethnical hackers use to exploit or to hack into a particular software. So we are going to use Metasploit to hack this particular software. So we are going to hack this particular software. This is software, this is an app, you understand, that is running virtually on my system. So we are going to use Metasploit to hack it. So first and foremost, now for us to hack this thing, so the first thing we do is we need to first get the IP address. So anytime you want to hack anything, you understand, so you need to first get the IP address. So you say ifconfig. So this ifconfig will actually give me the IP address of that particular software. Okay, so now let me try and run it again. ifconfig. So now we can all see the IP address. The IP address is 192, then 168.43.11. So the first thing I need to do is to scan my IP address using nmap. So nmap is another tool. So we are using two major tools which are advanced. So we are using the nmap. So the work of nmap is to scan the software for open ports. So you can see we have about 15 open ports here. You see, so majorly this scan here is sudo nmap, then we are scanning the version, you understand, of this particular software. That software, this one that I just showed you. So we have scanned it and we have gotten some open ports and we have seen different services that are running on them. So it is time to exploit it. Now anytime you want to exploit, the first thing is to first check. You can first exploit using version. You can first exploit using version. You can hack it through their version. So you can first check whether this version is outdated or it is not outdated. So just copy it, then you can scroll down, then and type searchploit. You see, you can type searchploit, then paste it. So the moment you press enter, it is going to show you what you are trying to do using searchploit. Is that you are trying to check your database, the database of exploit. So it's like a storage tank where they have already piled up different software version that has been hacked in the previous year. So you can see here we have two results. We have this first one and we have the second one. So since I could see that we have this version that has been exploited in the previous year, so the next thing is to go to my Metasploit framework and try to look for this particular exploit. So what I'm going to do there is I'll just say search, then I will now paste that version that I want to. So I'll paste it and search. Now you can see the moment I search, you could see that I got an excellent exploit. You see, I got an excellent exploit. So, and you can see the version 2.3.4, and it is what? It is a backdoor. So the next thing there is to use this Metasploit to hack it. So, but before I will hack it, I need to set up some payload. But let me first use this exploit that they have used to hack this particular version of software before. So if I use it, I'll just say use, then 0. Now, as I've clicked 0 now, you see, so I'm already using this exploit now. So let me clear the screen so that I can see it clearly. So now I'm going to first say show info, because I want to know what the exploit is about. So this show info will show me, you see, this module exploit is what is a malicious backdoor that was added to the blah blah blah. You understand? So it's a backdoor. You understand? So it is a particular exploit that will help me to gain remote access to this particular software that we are trying to hack. So I'm going to gain remote access to this particular software. So the next thing there is to show options. Now in this show option, you see I only have just one particular option to set, which is what? Which is the root host. You understand? So this arg host simply means the target host, meaning that this particular software that I'm targeting, so I need to set the IP address so that the payload that I want to use to gain access to it will work. So I need to set arg host. So I'll just say set arg hosts. Then the IP is 192.168.43.11. So you can see, if I go and check it now, you see 192.168.43.11. So now I can move on. So once I press enter, you see that it has set it. So I can confirm by just saying show options. Now you can see it has shown the options. So now it shows that all my payload has been set. So since all my payload has been set, I can just exploit it. This version is outdated, so I can exploit it. So I'll just type exploits, or I can type run. Then to run it, just wait and see. Look at it. You see font share, meaning that I've hacked it. Then just wait and see. Section 1 open. So meaning that I've been able to what? To hack into this. You understand? This IP address, which is for this particular machine. So what I'm going to do now is that now that I've gained access to the machine. So let me ask, who am I? So I am the root, meaning that I am super admin. I can control this particular software. I can do whatever I want to do on this particular software. So now on this particular software now, okay, let me confirm whether I am actually in the computer in the software or not. So let me just say if config. Now you see, look at the IP address. The IP address is 192.168.43.11. Then come and look at this. 192.168.11. So I've already hacked it. You see? So I can do whatever I want to do there. I can create a directory. You understand what I'm saying? So now let me list all the directory that is there. So you see, inside this directory we have this. So check all this directory very well. You can see. Now I'm going to create a directory now, and I'll give it a name. You understand? I can give it a name. So I can call it Sumbo. So let me make directory mkdir. Then I can call it let me call it my best. Okay, let me call it Aka. You see? So once I enter, so you see it has been created. I will say list, then it will list it. You see? So I've created it there. So now you see I've created it here. You see, that is Aka. So I've created it. So that is what I just created. Now. So it shows that I'm already. Now if I list all the directory in the software, ls, so you see Aka here. You see, so this Aka actually shows that I'm the one that created. So I'm already in this software.